Color is an important tool in our designing process. Color is what brings our artworks to life. Color, when applied correctly in our artworks, makes our artworks look very nice and appealing to our clients. My name is Sam, and in today's lesson, I'll be taking you through what color is and how to create a beautiful color palette for your artworks. Stay tuned.
To begin, let's take a look at the basic technologies in color: hue, saturation, and value. Hue is another word for color, while saturation refers to the intensity of color, whether the color is more subtle or more vibrant. Value, this refers to how dark or light a color is, ranging from white to black. This gives us many different shades of the color. To create a beautiful color palette for your artwork, we need to consider the word color harmony. Color harmony refers to the properties that create a pleasing color combination for our designs. This combination creates pleasing contrast, compatibility that are said to be harmonious. To create color harmony, we need the color wheel concept in mind. There are 6 formulas to achieve color harmony. First is monochromatic color scheme. This is the use of one color or hue. To achieve this, you will pick one color and create saturation and value to create variation. The advantage of monochromatic color scheme is that they are guaranteed to match. Second on the list is analogous color scheme. These are using colors next to each other on the color wheel. Example, warm colors like red and orange, or cool colors like blue and greens. Don't be afraid to play with the color palette to create interesting colors. The third color scheme is called complementary color scheme. These are colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. For instance, blue and orange, or green and red. What will make your complementary color look more exciting is to introduce saturation and value to the colors you choose. The fourth on our list is split complementary color scheme. This uses color on either side of the complement. This gives you same level of contrast but more colors to work with, giving you more interesting result. The fifth color scheme is Tradic color scheme. This uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced, forming a perfect triangle on the color wheel. This combination is very striking when using primary or secondary colors, so be mindful. The sixth and the last of the color scheme is Tetradic color scheme. This forms a rectangle on the color scheme. This creates 4 complementary colors. This color works well when you make one of the color more dominant while the rest serve as complements. Here are some important notes to consider when working with colors. Your color palette should be legible and easy on the eye. This means that sometimes not using color. Neutral colors like black, gray, and white can be applied to achieve a beautiful effect when you introduce a color to it. Every color sends a message, so you need to identify the tone of your artwork and add the color accordingly. Example, bright colors intend fun or modern vibe. Desaturated colors are often used for corporate or business purposes. As a designer, you need to widen your scope of color with what you see around you or your environment, from product labels to other work of art you see around. There is nothing wrong with taking inspiration from something you like and making it your own.
Hope you enjoyed today's lesson on color. Check out our other lessons on typography, layout design, background design. Links to these videos will be at the description section of this video. If you like today's lesson, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Don't also forget to hit the notification button so that anytime we upload new video, you'll be sure to have them. Thank you.